We live in a world where more is marketed as better. More stuff, more noise, more hustle, more distractions. But what if the real key to peace wasn't doing more, but doing less, on purpose? This is not about being poor or denying yourself. It's about simple living and wise thinking, choosing what truly matters and letting go of everything that doesn't. 1. Simple living is a decision, not a sacrifice. Most people think simple living means going without, like giving up vacations, nice things, or saying no to joy. But true simplicity is not about lack. It's about making intentional decisions. You're not sacrificing, you're selecting, choosing fewer but better, saying no to the clutter, the chaos, the meaningless hustle, so you can say yes to peace, focus, freedom, and clarity. 2. Wise thinking means asking better questions. Wise thinking starts with one powerful habit: pausing before reacting. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will this matter in 5 years? Am I chasing this because I want it or because I'm being told I should? Simplicity begins in the mind, because when your thoughts are clear, your life follows. 3. Simplicity is not minimalism, and that's okay. Minimalism is a style. Simple living is a mindset. You don't need white walls, 3 shirts, and a capsule wardrobe to live simply. You can live in color. You can collect things that matter to you. You don't have to fit into a Pinterest mold. You just have to ask, does this add value to my life? Or is it just taking up space? That's wise thinking. 4. Peace is the new success. We've been taught that success means money, status, busyness. But have you ever met someone who had all of that and was still miserable? What if success is quiet mornings, paid bills, time with people you love, a clear mind? Simple living redefines success. It says, peace over pressure, purpose over profit, fulfillment over flash. And that's not weakness, that's wisdom. 5. Slowness is a superpower. We're told to be fast, efficient, always doing. But what's the rush? Wise people know. Slowness gives you clarity. It helps you spot mistakes before you make them. It lets you enjoy what you're building instead of racing past it. When you slow down, you become more present, more focused. And honestly, you start making smarter, calmer decisions. 6. Discipline is freedom in disguise. Simple living often requires boundaries, saying no to unnecessary spending, waking up on time, turning off distractions. It sounds restrictive at first, but over time, it gives you back your freedom. Freedom from debt. Freedom from mental clutter. Freedom from the stress of trying to keep up. Simplicity isn't about rules. It's about creating space for what truly matters. 7. Real wealth isn't just money. There are 4 types of wealth: financial, emotional, time, health. Simple living teaches us that money is only one kind. What's the point of a big paycheck if you're exhausted, disconnected, and anxious? Wisdom is learning to value your time, your peace, your mental energy, as much as your bank account. Because the richest people aren't the ones with the most stuff. They're the ones who need the least to be content. So here's the truth no one tells you. You don't need a new life. You need fewer distractions from the one you already have. When you think wisely, you live wisely. And when you live wisely, you find peace. Not in more, but in less that matters. That's simple living. That's wise thinking. What's one thing you can remove from your life today to make it lighter? Comment below. I'd love to know. Subscribe for more gentle, grounded, realistic, frugal, plus slow living wisdom.